I'm giving y'all good tips because I do it all the time. Keep going where the money resides, where the money resides. Welcome back to my channel. This is the Danny You Know. I am Danny. If you are new here, go ahead and check us out. Today I am bringing to y'all a hair video on how I did these short faux locks. Now these are about 2 weeks old and they still look pretty fresh. Go ahead and take a look see. So I'm going to show you guys how I did these short faux locks. I dipped them in hot water. I did not do any burning to hurt my little fingers, and I used I think about 4 packs of hair. My head, I don't know if you can tell how big it is, but it's pretty. There's a lot of space to cover. This is the brand that I use, Jamaican twist brand right here. So 4 of these jokers right here did the trick. So stay tuned. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this content, give it a thumbs up, but let me know in the comments if you like this type of content so that I know what you guys want. All right, enjoy the video. So this first step is optional. However, when I use kinky hair, I do wash the hair in apple cider vinegar and water just to make sure it's not as itchy. Dip the hair, rinse the hair, and hang up the hair to dry.
I hope my horrible ugliness won't be a distraction to you.
So you take a long piece, right? And because we're doing short faux locks, I am going to cut it in half, like so. Fluff it out a little bit, like so. I'm going to make a twist. So I start with braiding and then I go into twisting. So this is basically, you don't have to have like the cutest twist because the other hair is just going to cover it. So you want to look at like where you want it to end. Actually, I feel like this is a good length. I don't want them too long. So loosely twist. Then I want to let it drop, see where it's falling. I think about here is good. So I'm going to cut some of this extra here. Cool. I think that's a good length. So I have a full long piece that I'm going to put on top of my twist that I already measured. And I'm going to make one piece shorter than the other. Going to place it nice and up against my hair. That hair looks great. Going to hold on to it and I'm going to wrap 1, 2, 3. And now I am flattening this wrapping piece. This is going to make our nice faux lock around the twist. And I like to use one hand to hold the twist, the other hand to wrap, so that I'm not tempted to make it too tight and I'm not tempted to like start twisting the hair. It should be nice and flat so you guys can see how nice and flat makes it kind of nice and smooth. And then we wrap till Jesus comes back. That's what it feels like. Now I'm getting towards the bottom and this piece is too long. When you first, it looks like it's going to be the right length, but then you start stretching it while you're twisting. and then it's no longer the correct length. So handy dandy, let's see where I want to go about here. Handy dandy scissors, cut that. Bam. Wrap it up. Wrap it up. So I'm gonna go all the way down. Okay, all right. Hold tight and start wrapping back upwards. Here we go. Here we go. Wrap it up, wrap it up. Keep wrapping and wrapping and wrapping. I just need theme music for my life. All right. Then you got all the like frizzies. Keep wrapping that up. Bam. And palm roll. Palm roll and bow. Cool. These are looking pretty good. Gonna look even better when I zip them. Yeah, they're like pretty even. Okay. I'm a hairstylist. Not really, but you know what? Add it to the resume.